Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscription button, and also hit that notification bell so you are updated whenever I drop a video. Today we're going to dry brine and reverse sear a ribeye steak. So let's get to cooking. This ribeye here was part of a rib roast that I purchased about 6 months ago. I ended up cutting them into 2-inch steaks and freezing them. This happens to be one of the steaks. You'll notice too a lot of marbling in the steak. That's where the flavor comes from. So I'm salting down all the sides, making sure that as the moisture comes out of them, that salt is going to be driven into the steak and be evenly distributed throughout the whole steak. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover the steak, put it in the refrigerator for about 24 hours. Leave some gap in there with the aluminum foil so you get some airflow. Let it dry brine for about 24 hours. After 24 hours of dry brining, you get this dry aged look that you see here. I'm gonna go ahead and go fire that grill up so we can get to cooking. We're gonna pull him off when he gets to about 110, 120. So after pulling the steak, what we're gonna do now is actually go let it rest for about 5 or 10 minutes. Now after resting for about 10 minutes, I'm patting it dry right here to make sure that the surface is totally dry. I also applied a little olive oil to it. So now we're gonna put it back on the grill. So we're gonna start searing it to build that crust up. I tend to flip my meat often during the process so I could build a nice restaurant style quality crust on it. So you'll find me flipping every few minutes to get that crust going. Take a look at how that crust is looking on that buildup. You got the fat rendering down. So should be real nice. You see that crust building up. Nice and mahogany. That's how I like my steaks. With a mahogany, beautiful rose-colored, burgundy-crusted exterior. That looks like it's gonna be some good eatings, boy. Let me know what y'all think. Another flip, build that crust up. You know, you gotta play with your meat. You want to also get them sides where the fat caps at. you know, render them down, get them nice and cooked. Give it one last flip, then check the temperature. See where we at. We at 147. So now we're gonna pull them. Look at that nice deep red looking crust. Man, that thing is pretty. Reverse sear. That thing's so pretty. You think it's ketchup on there. No ketchup, baby. That's just how ruby red it is. You'll think it's ketchup. Nice and tender. That interior, nice peeking interior. Medium well. Usually I like my steaks a little more raw than that. So I might have overcooked them by a few degrees, but still medium well. Nice and tender. Juicy cut. Let me try this little bit off camera. See what I'm working with. Man. Nice and tender. Hey Facebook fam, like always, thanks for watching. Don't leave here though without smashing that subscription button. Go ahead, hit that like button and make sure you hit that notification bell. I'm gonna be hitting y'all up at least with one video a week. Notice the Foodie Chronicles. Y'all hit me up in the comment box. Let me know what y'all might want me to try next time. And there y'all, until we feast again, y'all stay up and stay hungry in everything y'all do. Peace.